everyone, so excited for this video. It's a huge NYKAA haul for you. I follow a lot of Indian YouTubers, so I'm always on the lookout for product recommendations. Here is that glorious NYKAA package that I got. So let's open this goodie bag. Woo! They're all wrapped up, so we're going to open them one by one. Start with this one. Aqualogica. Okay, it's a Glow Plus Dewy Sunscreen, papaya and vitamin C. It's for brightening and hydrating. SPF 50 plus, PA 4 pluses, UVA and UVB rays. And it has a unique water lock technology. So I am so excited about this sunscreen. There are a lot of good sunscreens in the Indian market right now. So I want to give them a try. That boho girl, her name is NYKAA Khurrana. She uses a few facial oils and she's always been raving about the Indulgio Rose Gold Oil, the 24K gold infused beauty oil. So this I'm really excited to try. The last time I used the facial oil was the NYKAA Organics Noni Glow Oil. I really enjoyed that in 2019 and 2020. But ever since, I haven't incorporated oils in my skincare routine. I will be making a video in the future about Indian brands, homegrown brands that I really enjoy. And one of them has to be K Beauty by Katrina, a hydrating foundation enriched with avocado and mango butter. That's so interesting. So I'm very, very excited to try this out. Ooh, this was a last minute add onto my list. I was watching Shreya Jain's videos and she was talking about the OG Lakme 9 to 5 weightless matte mousse lipsticks, which are actually lip and cheek. So she made a video about how a lot of the viral concept makeups that are coming today, like dewy lip, cheek, eye makeup, it's been done a long time back by a lot of brands, but it just wasn't at a time when it was popular. You might have used this a long time back. It's been around for easily 3+4 years. Coffee Light and Cocoa Soft. I like the aloe vera facial makeup removing cleansing wipes from Face Shop. And also their aloe vera face mist. There are not a lot of Face Shop locations here in California or even across US, I think. So it's very hard for me to get my hands on the products. But I do know that their moisturizers are really nice. Pomegranate and collagen volume lifting cream, and it plumps and improves firmness. It's a Korean makeup brand. Oh my god, this one is credits to my cousin Chandana. If you're watching this, I was trying out her powder and I loved it. It's so lightweight, mattifies the skin without looking too cakey. Also enriched with avocado and mango butter. Got it in the shade Latte, popular brand called Secret Temptation, in the flavor Romance. Facial oil, yep. Okay, as I said, NYKAA Khurrana uses facial oils that she's recommended. So one of them was the Indulgio Rose Gold Oil, and the second one is this one, which is the NYKAA Naturals Skin Potion 24K Gold Facial Oil. So I'm excited to try this one out as well. The first sample is NYKAA Naturals Apple Cider Vinegar and Ginger Shampoo. This one is Find Your Happy Place, wrapped in your arms, souffle body butter. It's in the fragrance of blush, rose and raspberry. That's it for my haul. I hope you really enjoyed this video. See you in my next one. Bye.